No, I will do it by myself. Bye-bye.
Hello, everybody. These are pages 22 and 23 in the Let's Go 4 workbook. And in this Let's Learn section, we're going to work with 6 new past tense phrases. And for the first part here, we just have to write in the action or the verb. So here are all of the verbs, and we just have to write them here and then match to the picture. In your student book, all of the verbs looked like this.
Had a party. Went to the mall. Slept late. Took a test. Flew a kite. Won a race.
All right, so let's start. The first one says, a party. Had a party? Yes, had. Had a party. Okay, and that picture is right here, cake and balloons. So we can just draw a line down to that. Number 2 says, late. Went late, took late, flew late, slept late, or won late. Well, in the book we learned it was slept, the past tense of sleep. So let's write that. S-L-E-P-T, late. Slept late. All right, the next one is a test. Went a test, took a test, flew a test, or won a test. Took. Right, took, the past tense of take. She took a test, right there. Number 4 is a kite. And so I think went a kite, flew a kite, or won a kite. I think we should put in flew, which is the past tense of fly. So F-L-E-W, flew a kite. Kite, kite, kite. Here's the kite. Draw a line down there. Number 5, to the mall. Went to the mall or won to the mall. We should use went, which is the past tense of go. W-E-N-T, and she went to the mall. So we'll draw a line to her. And the last one is a race. So we're going to use won, and won is the past tense of win. W-O-N, won a race. And we'll just draw our line up and over to him, and part A is done. And this is part B, and it just says write. So here we have the present tense of the verbs take, go, sleep, win, fly, and have. And they want us to write in the past tense. So take becomes took. T-O-O-K. All right, let's write the other past tense. In our books, this was like a little blue box that looked like this. Okay, and let's write them in. The past tense of go is went. So W-E-N-T. The past tense of sleep is slept. So S-L-E-P-T, slept. The past tense of win is won. W-O-N. The past tense of fly is flew. F-L-E-W. The past tense of have is had. H-A-D. All right, and we are done part B. Okay, this is part C, and it says write the questions and answers. So here we have the question already written for us, and we just have to write the answer. Each time the question is going to be the same. What did he or she do yesterday? And I know that it's asking about the past because we have this past tense helping word, did, and also we have this time word that's about before now. The question and answer pattern in your books was just like this. So let's start. What did he do yesterday? Well, he's got some string and a kite, so he flew a kite. He flew, trace that in, a kite. I-T-E, period. Okay, the next one. What did she do yesterday? She, and here she's running on a track and she broke through this white tape at the end. So I think she came in first place. So we'll say she won a race. R-A-C-E. Great. Move this up a little bit for numbers 3 and 4. Okay. Number 3, we have to make the question, and this is a boy, so we're going to use the same question that's up here. What did he do yesterday? All right, let's write it in. Big W, H-A-T, space, did, space, he, space, do, and then yesterday, Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. What did he do yesterday? Well, he's still in bed in this picture, and the alarm clock says 11 o'clock a.m. That's late. So I can write, he slept late. And there's already a period there, so I don't have to put a period. Next, this is also a boy, so we can use the same question. What did he do yesterday? Let's see, he looks like he's in a shopping center. Oh, it's the mall. Here are some shoes for sale. There's some plants. This is an escalator. There's a shirt store over there. So I'm going to say he went to the mall. He went, past tense of go, to the mall. Period. Okay, only 2 left. Push this up. And there we go. This time it's a girl, so I can't say what did he, I should say what did she. So let's put in the question. What did she do yesterday? All right, and she is at a desk. She has a pencil and there's a paper with a whole bunch of questions on it. So I think it's a test. So I'm going to write, she took a test. Remember that took is the past tense for take. All right, last one. This is a boy, so we'll say, what did he do yesterday? What did he do yesterday? And let's see, there are some presents here. He's eating cake and he's wearing a party hat in the picture. So all of those clues make me think that he had a party. So let's write, he had a party. P-A-R-T-Y. Okay, and part C is done. Okay, and this is part D, and it just asks about us. It says, what about you? Right. What did you do yesterday? So I'm going to write my answer, but your answer might be different. And for me, yesterday was the weekend, so I went to a park and ate, past tense for eat, a picnic. Periods there. I went to a park and ate a picnic. All right, and that's it. We're all done. Nice job, everybody.